I'm 10 years old. I've been playing piano since the age of 4. So, why are we outside today? Because scala in Italian means stairs. And today we're going to learn about scales. Now let's start with some street art. So, let's learn the basics of scales. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. And now, let's name the steps. So, tonic, supertonic, mediant, subdominant, dominant, submediant, and leading note. Tonic, supertonic, mediant, subdominant, dominant, submediant, leading note. Let's do that one more time. Tonic, supertonic, mediant, subdominant, dominant, submediant, leading note. Now, let's get inside.
So, what are scales? Why do we need to learn them? Because scales are like an alphabet, but in music. Scales contain all the specific sounds in a key. Let's join what we've learned outside with some theory. When we start learning piano, we all see those confusing sharps and flats. But what are they actually for? Instead of going through those boring books, let me show you an example of how to get used to them with Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Okay, let's do it at upper key. One more up. Okay, something's wrong. Remember what we did outside? Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Tonic, supertonic, mediant, subdominant, dominant, submediant, leading note, and tonic. Okay, now let's try to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. much better. We've just played Twinkle Twinkle Little Star in C major and in D major. If you want to change the melody, going up or down, changing the mood, you're transposing it, shifting it. As a homework, you can play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star or any other of your favorite melodies, starting from random keys on the piano, using the rules we've just discussed. So, what is the circle of fifths? Why can't it be the circle of sixth or seventh or eighth? Well, I think it will be a little more clearer if we start with some building. So, let's have some fun with our building blocks. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. The C major scale. But what is the circle of fifths? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This over here and this over here. Okay, so we have tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone. The sides both look familiar, the same to each other. Now, let's put this one aside here and this over here. So, now let's put the D, tone, E, tone, F sharp, semitone, G. And this is the circle of fifths. And this is how the circle of fifths is built. Sometimes we call the major scales happy scales, but every happy scale has a sad friend, the minor scale. For example, we have C major here, and the relative minor of C major is A minor. But how do we turn this into A minor? Well, let's take this and put it here. Now let's learn the pattern for the minor scales. Tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone. It's quite different. Well, now you're going to remember it. Easy? Well, let's try it on the piano. Now that we've learned how the minor scales are built, let me play you the A minor scale. And let me play you the C minor scale too. But there are two other minor scales that we have to learn about: the harmonic minor and the melodic minor. Let's start with the harmonic minor. The easiest way to memorize the harmonic scales, how they're built, is to think of the fizzy drink 7-Up. Because what you're doing in the harmonic scale is you're just raising the 7th note up a semitone. Let me play you the minor scale. And now let me play you the harmonic minor. Now the melodic scale. It's a little more tricky because when we're going up and down, they're all different. When we're going up, we're raising the 6th and 7th note up a semitone. But when we're going down, we're playing the natural minor. Let's hear it. Thank you for watching. As you can see, theory can be fun if you approach it in the right way. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Reddit at Piano Berenica, and see you guys next time.